Hello everyone. This is Dr. Bindu Madhavi, Professor in Physics from Potti Sri Ramulu Chalawadu Mallikarjun Rao, College of Engineering and Technology, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Now I would like to present a review on rheology, a tool in 3D printing. To begin with, rheology is the study of flow of liquids and deformation of solids under the influence of stress. 3D printing is a process of creating parts by depositing and joining materials layer by layer from 3D models. In this day and age, the rheological measurements are indispensable for all processing technologies, particularly in one of the emerging technology as 3D printing. Rheology influences the choice of materials suitable for 3D printing. So, rheological measurements should be considered as the more essence of material characterization for selecting suitable candidates for 3D printing. This picture simply explains the components involved in 3D printing and also the rheological facets where the smooth extrusion of the material through this nozzle, and after extrusion, for sintering of the material also, we need rheological characterization. Let us see the rheological parameters involved in selecting the material. Rheological characterizations like study shear flow, oscillatory data, temperature sweeps, creep and recovery curves are at length used to characterize materials and select a suitable one for 3D printing. The quantification of printability can be based on some rheological parameters like the stiffness of the network via storage modulus, solid to liquid transition or flow stress, and the flow transition index, which relates the flow and yield stress. The evolution of yield stress with the time provides useful indications on the window of printability. The materials should possess shear thinning properties, which allows smooth extrusion from the nozzle under shear, and the extruded material must be strong enough to withstand and maintain its shape. In literature, we find rheological characterizations done on many materials to check their suitability for 3D printing. Here I take one reference, which is done on BI75 SN25 alloy. This picture shows the variation of shear viscosity with respect to shear rate, and also the variation of storage and loss moduli with respect to shear strain. When we observe here, the viscosity is gradually decreasing with shear rate. This particular behavior of decreasing viscosity with respect to shear rate is known as shear thinning behavior. And here, see, this storage modulus is dominating here, which shows that the material is exhibiting solid-like behavior than liquid-like behavior. And now let us see how these two parameters have helped the material for getting a 3D body. The marked shear thinning behavior, as we have seen in the graph, and also the rapid solidification of the slurry collectively enabled the fabrication of 3D overhanging structures where this filament can span over a wide range unsupported region. So to conclude with, all 3D printing applications are an enormous challenge with potential applications in broad range of fields such as industrial design, aerospace, medical, tissue engineering, architecture, pharmaceutical, and even food. In this context, further research into new materials as biopolymers suitable for 3D printing and the corresponding rheological measurements is essential in order to improve the current mechanical properties of available products and extend the possibilities towards innovative applications. Thank you.